Make a quick and simple breakfast with me.
Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Please join me as we make quick and simple breakfast. I'm adding a little bit of coconut oil because I'm used to using olive oil, so I'm just adding a little bit of coconut oil.
My ingredients are
Sweet pepper, tomatoes. These ingredients are optional, so you can use whatever you vegetable that you like. I love colors. That's why I'm using a mixture of everything, tomatoes and sweet peppers. While this is frying, I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt, pinch of salt on my eggs. And hot pepper. I'm not going to put too much, just half of it. Mix, 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 mix. Right. Just going to give this a turn. Okay, now the egg is going to go in. I'm just going to close it. So this needs to cook on low heat. Wow, did you see the beautiful colors? So this was cooking for about 2 minutes. So now I'm going to be adding a bit of cheese. Cheese is optional. It's ready just like this if you're allergic to cheese or if you don't like cheese. But I love cheese. Remember, this needs to cook on very low heat. So after adding my cheese, you just cook it for about just a minute for the cheese to melt. Ooh, don't forget to add a bit of spring onion. Remember, these are all optional ingredients. If you don't like spring onion, you can just leave it out. But I like spring onion. Let's close it again for about a minute. Wow, look at that. My quick and easy breakfast is ready. Look, it's all ready. Ready to be served. Wow, look at that. Wow, I'm just serving it out. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Look at that. Come on, everyone, please join us. This is very delicious. You need to try this at home. So yummy. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Bye.